Hello, everyone. Sorry I'm late. had to deal with an emergency. I'm making a coffee, so let's keep that timer going. And I'm probably going to do a little bit of art. To start off. Yeah, so, yeah, let's do that. All right, I'll be right back with the coffee. All right, let's get this show on the road. Let me see if anybody was even watching. One person. Thanks for watching. All right. Hey, Caden, how you doing? Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of kind of funny art. I'm gonna see if an idea I have. You're that one person. Awesome. I appreciate it. I actually have a question. I need a shop table that is like rock solid. No, this is a Affinity. I need a shop table that is, I mean, we're talking like a level 7 earthquake won't make that shit move. If you got an idea of like a brand, it doesn't have to be big. I'm thinking maybe 30 tall, 35 inches wide, and just maybe like 24, 26 back. Nothing big, right? but like a good metal or even wood that just like you could put like high engine vibration stuff on it. It's going to be like baking equipment, like a mixer and stuff like that. You think IKEA would have something like that? I know you do welding, so you might know of like a good brand for shop tables that you think are just dead solid. Because I'm actually on the verge of like hiring some dude and having him, someone with more power tools than me, and a bunch of 2x4s, IKEA. Do you have a particular table in mind? Yeah, if you do, just drop me a name and I can look it up. Yeah, basically, I bought this really insane mixer. Don't ask why. I bought one. Okay, and it's so powerful that it can't stay on like a normal restaurant table. Yeah, like a good workbench would be fine. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be something that you would normally put, say, like table saws and other like high vibration items on it, and it'd be just fine. So you're thinking IKEA. Okay, yeah, if you got some ideas, let me know. Or if there's a brand like people use in mechanics shops or woodworking, welding shops. Yeah, I was thinking of going to Harbor Freight and seeing what they have. Lowe's and Home Depot didn't have anything. Alright, let me open up these images. Okay, let me take this one. Let me swing that to the side. Alright. So I kind of need to process this. I sort of just winged it last time. The hell? Okay, never mind. None of that shit's right. I always wonder why editing software is so bad at just resizing stuff. Probably maybe sub 200, sub 300 would be good. Obviously lower is better, but the last one we got was about 100. I don't think we can do like a solid table for 100. Again, it doesn't have to be too big. It should be, kind of not too large. But if there was like a cheap giant one, I'd totally get that too. But I think if you just point me in the right direction, oh yeah, Makita makes a really good shop table, you should go get that. Then I can do the research. Yeah, that's not gonna work either. Why are they so bad at this, man? It's so dumb. Alright, let's do 1080, 1080. Let's go transparent background, create. All right. There we go. That's a stupid tool I need. Yeah, I think I... Yes, okay, there we go. Is a when 48-inch workbench. Okay, let me look it up. Yeah, that'd be good. Is this the brand? Yeah, that's possible. Okay, I'll take a look. Industrial work tables. Yeah, okay. Okay, perfect. Uline sells their own, or do they sell when, you think? Nah, they sell their own. Okay, so Uline, and the other one is when workbench. Or so type web, because my fingers are programmer fingers. When products. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Yeah. Industrial workbench. That's what I should be looking for. Maybe something like this. Yeah. That's got nice solid lines. Let me see. This looks kind of industrial, so that might work too. All right. Packing tables. Okay, yeah, I think this is where I need to go. All right, perfect. Thanks. If you have any other ideas, let me know. Yeah, that is a good price. You said 48-inch, so that's really good. Yeah, 160 for a 48-inch. Yeah, I'll browse around their website, see what they got. Workbench, that's what I should be looking for. Yeah, because otherwise my next step was to just build one. Like I'll get some 2x4s and good screws. See if I still remember woodworking at all. I did woodworking in high school and then in the army. So like what, 40 years ago, 30 years ago? Okay, so that's what we got. Let me see my pen. let's lock this. I probably can't. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going for, and I kind of need to get the head sort of in the same spot. So most likely... Oh, I do? I'm just like fucking around. I need to make a bad guy for the game, so I'm like, well, I'm kind of a bad guy. Oops. I think it's this B. No, that's... Yeah, that's the one. That's not that one. I think maybe if I do a bunch of layers, that'll be a bit easier. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, that green really messes with the colors pretty bad. Let me make sure that sizing is good. Yeah. Okay, so here, let me see. Do this. Yeah, I think I was probably in different positions. Okay, so I can do this. Oh, okay, they actually... Okay, do that. Alright, and then hide it. Yeah, I think if I just get each layer on there. This is so stupid. A little bit of motion. Yeah, about right there. Yeah, that's good. Okay, head should be about the same size, same place, more or less. Yeah, it's fine if I move. Actually, it's probably better if I move. And then this one. About right there, I think. Yeah, that's good, good, and good. Okay, so now let's move that to the top. And then where'd my pen go? Yeah, kind of. That's sort of like a little bit like the color scheme and the kind of the old computer idea, right? All right, so now I need to do lasso tool. Where are you at? Is it this one I want? Sort of. Yeah. That should get me pretty close. That's too much. And then do the brush. Why is that inverted? The fuck? An idiot thought that was what people wanted. Add. Okay, go like this. All right. Any other spots? Okay, so yeah, probably the head. All right, so now, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, let's feather it a little bit, smooth it. I just need 1 pixel. 2. Yeah, barely any. Okay, and then invert it. And then cut. Ah, did it backwards. All right. Ah, shit. That should be it. And then apply it. All right. Yeah, and they kind of have to be towards the bottom. All right, cool. That's good. And let me do that for all of them. Okay, that one's good. That one's good. That one has to come down some. Okay, cool. And then I'm going to basically export these. I'm probably going to up the... Yeah, probably adjust them as well. All right. I think that's pretty good. All right. No, no, that's the opposite. Want to add. Doing good, doing good. Just pretty busy today. That's about it. It's tax season, so gotta do tax bullshit for like half the day and deal with random emergencies. How about you? A keybind for that. Like Alt or something? Yeah, okay. That's way easier. What's this key? W. Oh. What's this one? Oh, I see. All right, I think that does it. Yeah, and then just bring it down. Okay. Oh. Okay, and then we can, as I could delete the whole thing. I like this program. Like, come on, man. Like, do they test their own shit? Like, nobody wants that. What the absolute fuck, dude, man. This is so stupid. Jesus. All right, well, the people who make Affinity Photo just don't actually use their own shit, so I'm able to delete a selection once, and then after that I can't. What a bunch of dipshits. Alright, well anyways, we're gonna, I guess, just export this. Let's do it to here. Might have to. All right. Just confirm it works, and then I guess I have to do that one every single time. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that's cut. Let's delete that. Make this invisible, delete this layer, delete this layer. Alright, now can I delete you? What the fuck, dude? Wow. Love being surrounded by idiots, you know, just like love it. Clearly, what people want is when they spend all that time doing a selection, they want to make it so that they delete everything with the selection. Because that's what selections are for. Well, let's just see if we can, you know, maybe, here, let's see if we can delete that. Let's see, does that work? No, that doesn't work. It's so dumb. There's a reason people pay for Adobe. Like, you can't even... What a load of crap, dude. Let's just try this. A bunch of idiots. Total morons, man. Like, do they understand how people use image editors? It's just asinine. Okay, and then what does that do? Can I do my thing now? Can I do this? Let me see. Nope. Oh my god. Ah, it's comical. It's comical. And every other image editing software, and you saw me just do it. I just did it. I literally just did a selection, and then it let me crop. But I go to use this piece of crap 100% of the time. And there's probably some dumb, oh, you forgot to do a reselect with a deselect with invert selection on the double-ended composition layer that has a mechanism for double-ended composition on a selection mainframe with a matte selection that has a double-ended selection. Like, dude, I just want to do this and then hit that, and that part I selected goes away. This is so stupid. Oh my god, it's so stupid. This is like, and honestly, this is sort of like what 90% of people use image editors for, is that. Pulling things out so you can put them on websites and shit, right? All right, to the Google. Affinity photo. Can't cut selection from layer. Alright, this person has my exact problem. When I attempt to cut out or make a copy of a selection from a layer, the selection is ignored and the entire layer gets copied. They say you have to I hate software. I hate software. See how this says image? For some dumbass reason, these idiots think that anybody gives two shits. It has to be rasterized. What is the point? The whole point of loading this in is to work with it as a raster. So now that I've rasterized it, it says pixel. What a bunch of fucking morons. Oh, I hate programmers so much, dude. Now it works. And an epic load of total absolute crap. Forgive my rant, but that is just like, if I was in charge of developing this, that would die in a fire. All right, now we're back in business. Now that we know the magic incantation to do the thing that everyone would normally want to do, we can come down here because now we've told it to do its job and be a raster. All right, we got that. On the plus side, it is pretty good at doing this. All right, you ready? Ready? Does it work? Hey, look at that. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Okay, so I can probably do that a bit better. All right. Okay, I'll go there. Okay, and then let me see down here. Any other spots? Yeah, Control X. Hey, what's up, Phantom Pinecone? We are making the stock images. Okay, so now I need to export that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cut them up like this, right? And then I'll bring it back in, and I'm going to see if I can convert them to black and white. Basically like a high contrast black and white. And then convert that to green, see what it does. Bilinear. Alright, so this is build failed. Alright. Alright, well, let's bring in the next image. Remember, folks, it's an image. Oh. Okay, we did that one. We got this. Next we have this one. I forget what this one's for. I think it's You Died. You know, I should, hold up. I want to get the heads in about the same spot. Yeah, so let me do that, and then let's make a new layer. I love how I say make a pixel layer, and then it just made an image anyway. Alright, so get the head in about the same position. And is it about the same size, too? What do you think? I gotta cut that. I gotta have that in there. That's amazing. Yeah. Hold on. This is gonna be the best. Now remember, folks, when you use Affinity Micro or Affinity Photo, if it says image, that means you haven't rasterized it properly, so that way it can be a raster. So that way the program will work in the way that you normally think that it would, because it says image. Now, in order to make something raster, you have to make it pixel. This has to say pixel after you rasterize it, because rasterization makes it pixel. Right click, rasterize, and just to put a cherry on top of that rant. It's an image, like as a PNG, it's already a raster. I shouldn't have to also do it again. Okay, so then this, let's get the pen. I think I tilted my head back. Yeah, what the fuck is that camera angle? Did I resize this weird or something? It's like my head got flattened. How did I do that? It's the same camera right there, I'm not sure. I must have done something weird. I might actually trim it. Yeah, why is my head so weird? might use some artistic license on this. Give myself a little hair transplant. I mean, maybe. Let's get rid of snap to edges. It's a bit much. Let's go here. Just want to shave a little off the edge. The photo seems highly distorted to me. Yeah, like I can't do that in the camera right now. Yeah, weird. I wonder if the hand maybe made the camera focus strange. Hey, what the fuck? How did it... That's weird. Yeah, just a little bit of a trim right there. All right, see how that looks. Yeah, that looks like it fits the head behind it more. Okay. Here we go. Animation time. It's perfect. Okay, I gotta figure out how to make that into an animation. Whenever you die. It just does these two. Yeah. Here, let's see. Okay. That's enough of that dumb shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust them. You know, they might work out that way. Let me just see. I'm probably have to bring them up some. Oh, it's the wrong one. Hey, what the fuck? Alright, we'll just get rid of that. Forget it. Okay. So we can nuke this one and export that one. And this is You Died. Okay, and then the last one. Oh, I gotta make sure my phone is active. Okay, good. So this is for building, but I think I want to find... Yeah, that works. Okay. let's get rid of that. Do this. W. I really don't understand this tool. Oh, and snap. Okay. W. Okay. I go here. Alright, I think I got that camera distortion on there too, but yeah, what the hell? Yeah, the focal length must have distorted it weirdly. Yeah, weird. Cameras are bizarre. Hold on. Yeah, I can't replicate it. This is the exact same camera that you're looking at there. And somehow it made me like flatten my head out. As I tell people, man, like, I started learning to do painting. I did a bunch of self-portraits, and I started to realize that your phone camera is just constantly lying to you. Like, it is extremely bad at getting your head shape right. And I'd see people who'd, like, talk about that they need plastic surgery and stuff, and I'd look, I'm like, most of the stuff they're complaining about is, like, camera distortion. Like, their nose would be too big, or my head is too round. Like, you look at the photo I took, and then look at my head right now. And it's like a totally different head shape. Right? It's just bizarre. And now I wonder if, like... It sort of doesn't matter, but yeah, that's like a weird... Yeah, I may even, like, adjust it. Maybe there's a lens adjustment. Yeah, right? It's so strange. But yeah, depending on the focal length, you can have your head... You'd have your head, like, flatten out. Or I've seen people who, like, you know, they hate their nose and they take a photo with their camera, but the camera's here, so that flattens the face. Thank you, Caden. Oh, I'm not complaining about my look. I'm just pointing out. Like, you see the camera right now. Like, you look at my face right now. It's the same camera, but for some reason... Wait a minute. Holy shit. Is this software like... Yeah, look. So that's the exact same camera. For some reason... Man, I feel like sometimes being an artist is a curse. Yeah, it is totally flattening my damn head. Why is it doing that? That's crazy. What is it doing? Right? I think nobody would really notice, but yeah, it's distorting that image significantly. Look at that. Yeah, so that's the exact same image in a preview pane, but then when it's in this, what the hell is it doing? Okay, I gotta go and look and see. Is it applying some kind of like lens? No, it's not a lens filter. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, it's flattening the head. It's doing some kind of like lens adjustment for the camera. Yeah, not necessarily aspect ratio, but so when you take a photo with a camera, right, modern cameras fix a whole bunch of lens problems, right? So the actual light coming through the lens onto the sensor is actually kind of like always weirdly distorted. It'll have things like what they call a chromatic aberration, where you'll get like rainbow fringes. They'll be like around the head, or any edge will have like a multicolor fringe on it. There's also problems with like depending on the focal length, things will flatten or expand out when they shouldn't. And that's how come when you use your phone, especially the face-facing camera, keeping it far away from you is always better. Or if you want to take something like an accurate photo, use the 2x lens. That's usually more accurate. And also, most of the camera software is designed to compensate for people with hair, right? If you've ever seen, like, you've seen those photos of men, they take a photo of with their phone, and it like buffs their face totally smooth. It's because like when they sell cameras to women, right? And women want to look beautiful, so whenever you do a painting of a woman, you can't show any texture, like nothing. It has to be like very smooth, or they get very offended. And so all the cameras are kind of calibrated towards a female face with hair. And so like all the images they do, all the things they try to fix, all the corrections they do are to make it look really good if you have a very smooth face with hair, right? So this camera is not like that. This is a real camera, not like your phone. But any software that's compensating for it is doing it. It's almost as if like, yeah, like if we do this, right? So here's my face. And see my head, it's the exact same camera. It is not that wide. So it's almost like it's taken my image and flattened it out. That's weird. Okay, so why? Like, you know, I think what I have to do, and then look, yeah, see the preview down here? That's normal. That's exactly what I see right here. Yeah, so this software is doing some weird shit to make it. You know, I wonder if... Hold up. I wonder if it's a bug. I bet it's a bug. All right, let's do this. Let's export it. Yep. Amazing. Oh. All right, rasterize it. Control X. Okay. Okay, so here's the exported image. Yeah, that shit is totally smashing my face. Yeah, it's almost like it's pinching in the facial features. Yeah, cause see, my nose is much wider than that. Wow, that's nuts, dude. Yeah, so see my nose, the bridge of my nose is much wider than that. My eyes are much farther apart. Here, it's almost like it shrunk my face down and expanded my head. So let's pull up the other one, the original. Yeah, see? Look at that shit. That's crazy. Weird. Anyway, I can probably correct it. Yeah, and then why is this correct down here? That's just so bizarre. Being an artist just blows, man. I've probably done 1,000 self-portraits, so I totally know what my face looks like. So when I see this, I'm like, that's wrong. I know every square inch of my face. Yeah, that's just way off. And you can see right now, I'm looking at the same camera, right? And like, I'll tilt my head a little bit. Yeah, it is not that flat. That's crazy. Okay, so let's go ahead and just close this. No. All right, so now let me open those images themselves, and we're gonna convert them. I'm trying to see if I can get something that's a little bit easier to work with. Okay, so, and also, let me just see. Let's go to here, lens corrections. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's what it is. It's let me see. I think it's distorted about that much. And it's distorted around here. Let me see. Yeah, that's nuts. That's weird, man. And it's not a horizontal. No, that's a horizontal rotation. Yeah, so it's just a lens distortion problem. Here's 0. Yeah, I think it's a little closer. Yeah, it's significantly distorted. That's nuts. Okay, we're just gonna go with it for now. Nah, that just bothers the shit out of me. we're gonna bring it down. That's weird. And also it's like my ears are not, it's like doing that. It's so funny. It's almost like it's like the anti-nerd camera. Oh, this dude's a nerd. Gonna make his ears pop out, make his head gigantic. Yeah, we'll just bring in a little bit of the distortion. Okay, we can develop it that way. Why the fuck does it look correct down here, though? That's so weird. Okay, and then back to edit. Well, let's do this. Yeah, I think if I just do mesh warp. No, I'm just gonna end up making myself look strange. So let's do a crop. Actually, let's do this. Oh, this is so dumb. There we go. There. Alright, this is a little better, but yeah, I gotta go retake those. We'll see how that works. Okay, good enough, good enough. Okay, we're gonna save that. Escape this. Let's go to develop. Where's the merge down, merge visible? Okay, and then, dear Lord. Oh my God, I hate them. I hate them so much. Yes, I want to replace it. What is this garbage, dude? Alright, we're gonna close that. No. Or open it again. Alright, let's develop it. It needs to probably have a bit more exposure. Let's try 10%. Oh, that's way too much. Okay, it's not by percentages. Yeah, and then they all need to be a bit boosted. What about black point? Yeah, I think that's better. And then I want to up the contrast. Yeah, get it like a... And then... black and white. Now I was thinking, okay, make it black and white, but then I need to find a way to make it do it as a green. No, that's not doing what I think. Okay, that makes no sense. Cool. Yeah, I think I would have to look at a tutorial to figure out how to do what I want to do, but this should be close enough. Yeah, so let's convert it to black and white. Maybe split toning? Now, let me look it up. I swear I did this before. Things like you have to do a mask. Yeah. Okay. So convert it to black and white. Okay, and then develop it. Yeah, up that. Okay. Then we're back here. We want to do a gradient map adjustment layer. Oh, posterize. That was the other one. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be... Okay, not yet though. Let's delete that. Gradient map. There we go. So probably... I think... delete that. Ah, shit. Wrong one. Not quite, but I need to get rid of these. The fuck are these dudes doing, dude? Alright, we want that. And that. I just have to figure out if we want to do it before or after posterizing. Let's get rid of that. Let's go up to posterize. Yeah, see, that's what I was basically kind of doing manually. So all I gotta do is just get that to be green. And then I think we're close. Yeah, what was that? A level 11. Alright, so darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn. Darker color. I might be able to do in SFML. I might be able to just add a shader on it. All right, let's see. What do people think is best? So we got normal mode. Let's see, darken. Multiply is too dark. Darker color. Lighten. Color dodge is a bit too harsh. Screen, too light. Lighten mode. Overlay. Vivid light. Pin light. Hard mix. Nah. It's more like a comic book style. Maybe hard light. Yeah, let's try hard light. And then yeah, I think about there. Okay. So I'm going to export this and keep the original in case that doesn't work too well. Recolor. Oh, that's interesting. Hey, there we go. Okay, recolor. That's what we want. Okay, I need my code. Easily the weirdest project I've ever worked on. Okay, can I do an RGB select on that? Oh, it's like a degree? Shit, I'm just gonna have to eyeball it, I guess. My color vision's good, but it's not that good. Okay, make run. Great. Gotta wait for C++ to compile everything. kind of closer towards the blue-green. I bet it's saturation. Yeah, drop the saturation. And then go here. It's pretty close. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's pretty close. Maybe a little more blue. Yeah, I think a little more blue. If you ever try to figure out a color, you can actually make a hole with your hand like that and look through here, and that isolates it. Because color and the lightness and darkness is influenced by everything around it. So you do that, you see only that one color, that one spot. So if I go like this, and then go over there, yeah, that's pretty close. Okay. I gotta remember that setting. 119. Yeah. All right, 119 degrees. And it was a hard dark. Pixelate thing. Yeah, so recolor. 29% saturation. Okay. Yeah, I think it's gonna look way cooler than my excellent my excellent art. Yeah, what do you think? I think that's it's not bad, but the shirt is going to be like pure black. Let me undo all that and just see something real quick. Yeah, I think no matter what I do. Yeah. All right, we'll go with it. We'll do this, and then I'll see how it comes out. Okay. Okay, and then we have to make it 240 by 240. And export it as... Let's do that. Okay, let's see how it looks. Because that's going to further pixelate it, which is why I wasn't trying to make it... Yeah, that's kind of perfect for what I want. It does have this weird line. I could probably edit that out. Yeah, see, I think when I rasterize it, it's going to effectively blur it. So instead of a bilinear, maybe I'd do a different one. Let's try nearest neighbor. Wait, what the hell? Oh yeah, and then 240 by 240. Okay. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I think that's a bit better. Yeah. So we don't want, like, we literally don't want smoothness. Right? We want bad. Yeah, we want like pixelated bad shit. When it shrinks it down, it has to figure out how to interpret near pixels. So nearest neighbor. Okay, cool. And then we can nuke that stuff on the side here. I think just do this. Okay, great. Okay, let's see how that looks. What is the image I'm loading? Oh, it's in the, okay, do that. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. What do you think? I think if I wasn't wearing I think I need to wear a different, like a white t-shirt. Right? Right? It's like, you know, those old games where they're using like the rasterized, because they couldn't fit like a full video on a floppy disk, you know, so. Right? It totally works. That's exactly what I'm going for. And I think I even nailed the color too. And that means I can recolor it, however. Yeah, that's really, really close. Yeah. That fits that whole kind of like green CRT thing. If I set this background maybe a bit dark, a bit lighter, it would probably come out pretty okay. Hey, Catlone, how you doing? No Kenshi today. I'm making a weirdo game. It's about programming. Let me see. Let's do yeah, SFML backend, and then find Facebox. Oh, CVP. Jesus. All right, Facebox. I think I have the background, the fill as transparent. So let's do values 1. No, dark. Oh, not values, value. Yeah, I think that works better. Yeah, what do you think? So my t-shirt can be black. This is still dark. Yeah, that works. All right, we're going to do that with all the images, and then we're going to get these to actually render. Okay. Save that. Did I just screw that image up? Let me confirm. No, okay, great. Yeah, the original's there. Okay, perfect. Okay, close that. Yes, okay. Then we want the next one is you died. Okay, so same deal. Yeah, first off, we have to go do some develop it. We need to get black and white. Basic. We need to up the exposure. I think it was like 0.8. This is pretty good, but then higher contrast. Like maybe 15% contrast. Yeah, we gotta get that contrast up. This one seems a little fuzzy, but I think it's because of the focal length on the hand. I could reimagine that. I could probably go in and draw that, but I don't know. We'll see how it works, how it comes out. Okay, and then we're going to develop that. Okay, next we got to go in and posterize. It was hard dark, and it was like about 9, I think. That seems pretty good. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that hand is working. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and then recolor. And it was just pick sepia to start and 29% and 119. Yeah, just do normal on that one. Merge it. Oh wait, no, that's not good. There it is. Wait, did I like click something else? No, okay, so that's good. Okay, and then save. Save as. Yeah, that's fine. You died a photo. Then we export. We bring it down to 240, but then we do nearest neighbor. Because nearest neighbor is actually going to give us a shitty resize. Man, why can I not speak English today? Okay, but we have to name this small green. Okay, and then I'm going to move that image to assets you died.png, and then let's go to the code. Don't even need to do code because I was smart and actually put it into here. And it's in assets, right? Yep. Look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. Yeah, that like old school video game, pixelated. They had a word for it. It was like VR, VTR, something like that. It was like a video, but not really. It was just like a sequence of PNGs. Or it didn't have bits. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Well, pretty soon we're going to animate it, so you'll see. It'll look hilarious. All right, next one. Yeah, I got the process now. All right. So that's you died. We got building. Build failed. All right, we need to do a little bit more cleanup. Anything else? Nope, that's good. Alright, we got to develop it first. Let's up the exposure more, and it's like 15% contrast. Yeah, we got to up the contrast. Okay, and then develop it. Alright, and then we want a black and white. Oh, that's different. I must have done black and white with the develop mode. Alright, we'll see how it works. Alright, then posterize. And it was hard. Yeah, hard light. And about a 9. Yeah, that works. Merge that, and then recolor. Sepia by default, 119 and 29%. Merge that. Save it. Then nearest neighbor, 240 pixel. Export. Build failed. Small green. Alright, then we move. Alright, and then edit the config. So now I want to bring back my talking, me saying stuff, because there's a person. Come on, that's the funniest shit you ever seen. I need to go to the dentist, dude. I think the algorithm, when it did pixels, it's like, because normally you don't draw the lines between teeth, but it's like there's a pixel there, so it gave me these massive gaps in my teeth. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. All right, we got one more, I think. Oh yeah, build success. That's like the best one. Okay, so we're gonna save that. All right. Build success. Yeah, that needs to have contrast up. I think we're gonna have to adjust this edge here. Oh yeah, up there too. That's too much. Just a little bit. Okay. And then yeah, it looks like this line got included. Anything else? That looks good. All right, develop it. All right, up the exposure. Yeah, that's better. And then about 15% contrast boost, probably even higher. Yeah. Ah, that's where I did the black and white. There we go. Okay. All right, develop it. Now we can do posterize at about 9 with hard light. There we go. All right, merge that. And then recolor sepia 19 for the color, 29% saturation. Merge that. Ah, shit. I wanted to save as. Well. Alright, so one of them will be... Yeah. Alright. That's fine. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, we'll go here. Okay, build. Oh, I gotta copy it. Oh. There we go. So dumb. That's great. Okay. So now we're gonna do all of these. Yeah, so we'll just do this. Also, I'm gonna change this from build works to build success. Same here. Okay, and then let's yeah, they're MP3s. I think it's GUI. Yeah, I should do it everywhere. Right. Okay. That's working. Now, making the different images show up. Yeah, okay. So we just need to do this. Right, I think I'll hack it in, but I think it's the same thing I found with sounds. Because the texture has to be combined with the sprite. Yeah, it's gonna get real gross. Oh, but I think I can just change the texture. Yeah, you make one sprite and then you keep changing the texture. Assuming it doesn't need any caching. Yeah, let me look at that. Yeah, so I just have to set up the textures. I think I need an idle one too, so let's do building. Okay, so let's do I'll just do that. Actually, I'll just do it this way. I think I'm getting tired. Okay. You know, for now, we'll just do it this way. Oh, I'm doing, yeah, we'll just do this whole thing. To get it to work, and then I'll optimize it better. Yeah, so then this becomes and then do SFML, HBP, just throw that in there. Oh. Alright, so that should work, and then the GUI can just change the face. It's not efficient, it's going to be constantly loading that JSON file and loading the image, although that might be better during development. Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, this song needs to die in a fire. So weird. Alright, so. Let's confirm that works. Then we can have it just call change face every time. Oh yeah. What the hell? The hell error is that? Ow. Man, compilers just have the worst error messages. They're so bad. Okay. Alright, so this is done. I can get rid of that now. Alright, this should work. Then we just need to change the image. That does not work because SFML probably sucks and decides that it's not going to keep the image content around. Now I need to do face sprite, set texture, face texture. Alright, not efficient at all, but I can fix that later once it actually works. But I don't know, during development that might be better. So it'll continually read the config file and load the image. So if I ever change it, it'll load it. Yeah, we'll have to see. Maybe it leaks RAM. Okay, I need an idle pose. That'll definitely need to be the next thing. Okay, so now go into the GUI. Alright, so here we would do... Ooh, that gets very dicey. Yes, because I'm doing this. Yeah, because I'm trying to be slick and not, yeah, because I'm doing that. Instead of doing it during construction. Alright, so do I change it up? Do I change it up? Yeah, I think I have to. Alright, not a problem. I'll do it like that. Let's make sure that SFML backend is preventing copying. Yep, okay, great. Yeah, this needs to be restructured again, I think, if I'm having to do that. Right, so that means main loop doesn't need this anymore. This might be where maybe I start doing it as a, nah, I think I do need to have another restructure. It should be easier though because of the state machines. Yeah, because before all I was doing was using it to do main loop. Now the backend has to show images at specific times. Yeah, alright, I'll have to sort that out. Alright, so then escape. Alright, so then this has to go here. Yeah, see, it's so convoluted. It's like the game goes into the back end, which goes into the GUI, which goes into the builder, which goes into the game. So I need to sit down and restructure like how these are interconnected. And then that goes away. All right. And once that's done, the GUI can just tell SFML to display a different thing each time. Let me just confirm. Oh yeah, I do that. Okay. I messed this up. No, I should call that back end. All right. All right, perfect. Almost all right, almost a working prototype. Let's see if that loads actually. Okay. All right, cool. And then all right, so now build success, we can say GUI.change face to build success. Okay, and then GUI.change face to to build failed. That might actually have an interesting effect.
All right.
There's like zero error checking in this. Like no error checking at all. So we'll have to make sure the config files are done right. All right, that's success. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's cause an error. Oh, you want to try again? Okay. Oh, you want to try again? Looks like somebody needs a nap. Okay, it's not changing the faces, but that works. I gotta fix that sound. That sounds totally wrong. Alright. Yeah, change this to, I think, wave. We'll do the... Okay, and then, yeah, for some reason it's not actually changing the face. Well, let's make sure it actually builds. Okay.
Looks like somebody needs a nap.
Alright, so it should switch to build failed. Also, oh yeah, this should be my sounds. Yeah, so that's not working. Let's get rid of that. Oh, so we should get the disk drive and then we are not.
Looks like somebody needs a nap.
Okay. Okay, so not sure why change face isn't working. Let's log that. Oh, that's why. Yeah, I gotta gotta use the name there. Okay, let's see.
Looks like somebody needs a nap.
That's perfect. It's so dumb. I don't know why that's so funny. Oh, that's great. That made my day, man. Okay, let's see if I can, let's do the You Died. I'll need a sound for that one. I forget what I did for that. I think if I just go into, yeah, FSM and, it's like if I just nuke, I think this was doing the best. Alright, I'm gonna pause the music and get the full experience. Yeah, I think I need to cut the build early. Like if you die, then just forget it. Yeah, I think that error is so heinous that I need to find one that
You died.
Yeah, there we go. I thought I had another one. Maybe that should be build failed, and then the other one is build die. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, that's one hell of an error, man. Let's do... Yeah, I think this should be build died, and the other one should be build failed. Yeah, yeah. Let's go ahead and just move that up. Yeah, swap these around, build. I mean, it exists. Oh no, that should be build failed. Okay. And I need to find something that's a little less, it's a little less time. I need to make like a test project that I run this in, and then, you know, different deaths cause it to do different things. Let's get the music back while I do that. Okay, let's do a build success. And I think I need a, like an idle stance should be probably just like cross-armed, like this, right? And then while you're building that one, and then I need a, like a good job, something like that. Okay, so let's cause it to die. Oh no, let's, yeah. Let's do, hi, SFML backend. Okay, just do that.
Looks like somebody needs a nap.
Yeah, I think that's better for you died. Like I'm watching you. I think if I animate those, if I do like a 2 or 3 frame animation, right? Yeah, this works a lot better for what I was thinking instead of the hand-drawn thing. I think that fits the idea a lot better. Okay, so now let's do a heinous error. This will take a little while. I think also I'm going to change it because I don't want people to die because of, like, this is like a single character error.
You died.
That's perfect. Okay. Yeah, that works. All right. I think we got the game. Yeah, I think just like a simple, like, you know, a couple frame animation for each of those. And then an idle animation and a success. Yeah, I like this. This is so weird. I love it. Yeah, I think once I get the Pomodoro clock working and a couple other little things, it's then all about just sort of like making it more configurable.
Somebody needs a nap.
And also the other things where like you got like a power up if you had a streak of 10 and 20 and 30 and so on. This is so dumb. I wonder if anyone's gonna play it. I think then seeing about maybe, well, I don't know if you can abort the build.
You died.
Yeah, so then you need sort of things like, you died, play again, easy mode, things like that. But no, this is working. It's working a lot better. Just clean up the buttons, get the Pomodoro timer up, come up with a way to do like a couple cards for the, you know, when you get a good streak, you get a little prize, like extra HP or something like that. If you die, you lose everything, you start over. Then I can call it a roguelite. Cash in on that roguelite money. Yeah, and this works. This is way closer to what I was trying to do. Like, I was trying to do it with my own art, but that doesn't really fit the theme. It would be better. That would be if you're doing pixel art, but this is kind of like I'm just trying to do what I remember of like old games on the CRTs, the green CRTs with the pixelation. Okay, cool. All right. Well, thanks everybody for stopping by. I'll commit this stuff right now. Oh, cool. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I'll put this up and then I think I'm pretty close to being done with this. I want to work on another little game. I think I'll make like a little rogue, like old school kind of text dungeon thing. See how hard that is. Yeah. I work on another game. I'll probably use this game and then I'll hack on it periodically. Once it's doing a few things I want it to do. Alright, I will see everybody maybe tomorrow. I might do some gaming tonight, but I do have to do a whole bunch of actual work instead of goofing off. So if I do, I'll be doing Valheim. Actually, I'm doing a really awesome playthrough of Valheim. Where I have a houseboat and everything. So, if I see you there, I see you there.
You died.